Okay, we're about to get on the Disneyland Railroad. I love this railroad so much. You go through the dinosaur scene, and now they've actually redone it. Because that's the whole reason last time I was out here in 2017, we never got to ride this. We never were able to ride it because it was completely down, where they were actually constructing Galaxy's Edge. Pretty funny. We've come full circle. Now Galaxy's Edge is open. Ride the train, right? Because the construction was happening, and now they've redone. They've added in, like, there's a really cool part of it that you go over like a waterfall. Oh, the train? Yeah, on this train. Have you ridden it? No. How do you know? Because I watch YouTube videos all the time. Of course you do. Of course I do. Seriously. Why would I ask? I know what it is about. Yeah. We are in. Yes, this is so cool. And we did Splash Mountain. Oh no, we did not see this. And then we're back outside.
Speaking of critters, this place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Part of the journey.
Oh my god.
Around every bend.
Look, you can see we're like up now, and it's kind of like a waterfall thing. Yeah. Gorgeous. We have to do this during the daytime. Yes. Oh, look how cool. It's beautiful.
I could just fall asleep right now on this train.
It is so, you fell asleep in the Millennium Falcon.
I did. It was a nice hyperspace nap.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. It's a small
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice.
I love their small world here with the characters in it.
You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
How many stops are there?
Oh, there's a Tomorrowland station?
I didn't realize.
I didn't realize there's, a station in Tomorrowland. It's happening, Alyssa.
It's happening.
This is so cool. Whoa, look at the mountain lion. Photos, friends. Whoa! Oh, look at the fire effects down there. The rainbows. Double rainbow. Yeah. Didn't you remember that?
It was there in the goat's belly.
The girl was finally warm.
The girl was finally warm.
All the things we saw, those way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
This thing is awesome. Oh, I like this one.
Cool.
All of this exists so that they're going to give it
That's a good trivia question.
What?
Where's the only place you can see dinosaurs at Disneyland?
Oh, look at the babies!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, that's correct.
That was awesome. We made it to Main Street. We made it to Main Street. We have 10 minutes till the parade. Yes, we can do it. We're now at Main Street. We can do it. Alright, gotta get our spot for the parade. Look at this! Oh, this is so perfect! We have the perfect spot to watch the parade. Oh my gosh. No! Oh my gosh, I can't believe the characters come out like this.
It's so different.
Yeah, look, they just come out before the parade. Oh my goodness.
I worked at Magic Kingdom. When I came out,
Alyssa's got some good luck from a bird that just flew by.
I just got dressed, went up on stage, a bird pooped on me. So maybe I'm just gonna be pooped on at Disney all the time.
Here, do you want me to clean it up?
What?
Here it comes.
Like a very big fan.
Coming up here, not this one, but the next mushroom. I think it's Alice. Oh, so cool!
Like the little white twinkle lights go off.
Yeah, I mean, she's so pretty.
Brilliantly done. Oh, yeah. Say hi to Sonia.
Hi, Sonia! which is the ones that I think this went away. And I can't remember. I don't think this is the one that I saw when I was out in 2017.
It's white.
And I think this is the one that may have debuted during the 60th. Which, yeah.
Maybe. Oh, well,
I think it
the
might
60th is when we came out, so this must be the one I've
This
seen.
is the one that you've seen?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. For some reason, I think it went away and they brought back a like older fireworks show when I was out here. And it was like a highlighted thing. But I was like so excited. I was like, I want to see Disneyland Forever. Like, yeah. Because they actually do the projections like on the building.
Yeah, it's really good. I really enjoyed Disneyland Forever and World of Color. I mean, they're both fantastic shows.
We have to see that at some point. World of Color.
We will. We will.
It's magical.
We are gonna do it.
We're gonna do it. We're doing everything. Oh,
do it. Do it now.
What's it called? Electrical parade. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. I realized how much I missed having a nighttime parade. Like Disney World needs to get their nighttime parade.
They really
back.
do. I don't understand. One of the best parades I've ever seen at night, it was here at California Adventure, and it was the Paint the Night parade.
I've
I don't
never
understand
seen
why
that one.
nobody's playing that right now.
Yay!
Okay, we gotta stand up.
Yes. Yeah, we need that. We need that. Oh my God.
50 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
As long as there's imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
it will continue to build and grow on one enduring promise that all who journey into its magical gates will feel forever young. And the magic, as Walt assured us, will never end.
Okay, we're having a late night dinner. We're getting corn dogs from the Little Red Wagon, which I have never had before. None of us, have you ever had it?
No, I haven't.
No.
I'm curious to see how they compare to Fletcher's corny dogs. Shout out to my friends, Fletcher's. Those are the best, in the world in my book. I've never had these though,
okay.
So, you know,
This shall
I'm
be
gonna test
interesting,
and
yeah.
see.
But I've heard that the ones that are here at the Little Red Wagon, because it's iconic, like Walt Disney walked up to this Little Red Wagon and had corn dogs. So I mean, like they say these are better than there have other locations in the park that have corn dogs, but these apparently taste the best. You have to get it.
They have the
batter
special
dipped.
Walt
It's
magic.
just there in, yeah, something about being in this cart. Makes it magical. I'm so excited, and this is the thing, like I've always wanted to try it, and I think we wanted to do it when I was here last time, but this line, like we're almost about ready to pay, and like this line wrapped like down around, it would have been like a 45-minute wait in order to get it. So no, now this is perfect.
There's just
We're gonna get
in
our
front
corn
of us,
dog.
so.
We're doing good.
Good timing.
Good
Right
timing.
after fireworks, great time to hit the corn dog stand.
There you go.
Corn dogs. Sorry,
Corny dogs.
Fletcher's are corny dogs.
Do you know what?
These are corn dogs.
Cute.
Dogs.
Here is the corn dog, the famous Disneyland corn dog. Oh, I should have got, is there ketchup? Look, there's the inner, the cross section. I might have to go back up and get that. I forgot.
If you get
What do they call the ride? Millennium Falcon Smugglers.
It was being tossed
We just
about.
ate our corn dogs. They were incredible. We had a Disneyland corn dog.
We have a
look
bunch
at
of
where
empty
we.
plates.
Yes, empty
And
plates.
They were
Oh
also
no.
already in the trains. So.
Megan didn't finish her
But look
plate.
at this. This is where we ate with these twinkly trees. And so there it is, the Little Red Wagon. And we ate right back there at that table. So amazing. It's so pretty here. Yes. Oh, we should have like posed our corn dogs by the Little Red Wagon. We were too hungry. We just had to eat. Look how stunning. It's like, oh, picture and video doesn't even do it justice. That's amazing.
Not necessarily even Disney park, we probably just seen some celebrity.
All right, heading back to Batu.
He was trying to figure out where to sit, and there was nowhere for him to sit, so he walked it up.
Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Oh, there goes Big Thunder. So cool. Going back into Batu because Andy has a reservation for the lightsaber experience.
With many pouches to begin, Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
And activate. Please raise your lightsaber. For you have just built a lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is.
Okay, so the park's actually closed right now. And look at this. There's nobody here in Batu. Wow, look at this view. We are closing down the park.
Till it's fire.